Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation, 12 postures of Surya Namaskar. Prayer posture, raised arms posture, standing forward bend posture, equestrian posture, mountain posture, salute with 8 points posture, cobra posture, mountain posture, equestrian posture, standing forward bend posture, raised arms posture, prayer posture. Benefits: it makes our body more flexible. It increases emotional stability. Trikonasana, triangle posture. The body look like a shape of a triangle. Benefits: it strengthens the legs, knees, ankles, arms and chest. It helps in improving digestion. It reduces anxiety, stress, back pain and sciatica. Lokasana, boat posture. Benefits are: it strengthens the abdomen muscles. It helps to remove belly fat. It improves digestion. It strengthens the muscles of the arms, thighs and shoulders. Shashank Asana, rabbit posture. The benefits are: it helps in getting rid of constipation. It releases the stress from spinal cord. It stretches the back muscles. It tones and massages the muscles of the pelvic region and sciatica nerves. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Sit in Sukhasana. Spine should be straight. Using the right thumb, block the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Block both nostrils and hold the breath for few seconds. Keep the left nostril blocked and release the right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril. Block both the nostrils and hold the breath. Keep the right nostril blocked and release the left nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. Block both the nostrils. Hold the breath in suspension for few seconds. This completes one single round. Start the cycle again. This time inhaling from the right nostril. Repeat for a maximum of 10 rounds. Try to increase the counts of inhalation and exhalation with regular practice. Try to maintain the ratio of equal counts for inhalation, exhalation and suspension of breath while holding the breath for double the duration. Benefits are: it helps to relieve depression, stress and anxiety. It increases concentration, patience, focus decision making ability. It improves lungs capacity. Meditation. Concentrate on the third eye or our breathing. Benefits are: it reduces stress, it promotes emotional health, it enhances self-awareness, it decreases blood pressure, it improves our sleep. Om chanting. It creates vibration throughout our body, elevating prana, the life force energy in the body. More energy translates into more connection with ourselves, more clarity of mind to make decisions.